You are welcome to P6 Science. This is Teacher Jacob as usual. We have looked at music, different things about music, but we can't again forget to look at the ears. Remember, it is the ears which listen to music. So we want to see what happens with sound in the ears. Okay? Today let us look at the mammalian ear. The mammalian ear. Mammalian comes from the word mammal. We looked at mammals. You are a mammal. Okay? Now, what you are seeing is the structure of the ear, the hollow system. Okay? I want us to look at one part by one. This one is the pinna. Before we even look at that, before I even explain each part, here I told you that the ear is divided into three regions, namely the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Outer, middle, and inner. Okay? Now we come back here. Which parts make up the outer ear? The outer ear is this pinna, this one outside here, and the auditory canal. The outer ear is made up of the pinna and the auditory canal. Pinna, you looked at the pinna in P3. They always ask you the importance of the pinna, the function of the pinna. It collects sound waves. Okay? This pinna collects sound waves. Last time I was watching, I don't know if you watched the news, one man's ears were chopped off, and the doctor was explaining that the problem that man is likely to face in life is that person may find problems with hearing. Why? We will not have what to trap the sound waves. The pinna were cut off. So the moment sound waves come, they will just keep passing by. They just pass by. So even if you call that person may be hard of hearing. So this pinna collects sound waves. After collecting sound waves, what happens? This auditory canal, it is the one which does what? Transmit those sound waves to this part, which is the eardrum. Before we even go to the eardrum, the outer ears have only these two parts, the pinna and the auditory canal. Now we are going to the middle ear. The middle ear has the eardrum, the ossicles, and the eustachian tube. Eardrum, ossicles, and the eustachian tube. This eardrum, I will tell you the function of the eardrum because we are going to look at the function of each part. These ossicles, they are three bones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? I will tell you their names. So these three make up the middle ear. The eardrum, the ossicles, the eustachian tube. Now we go to the inner ear. The inner ear has these three parts. One, we have this fluid filled structure. This one here, it is filled with the fluid. It is called the cochlea. It has these nerves which connect to the brain. They are called the cochlear nerves. Okay, cochlear nerves or auditory nerves. Then we also have this semicircular canal. Semicircular canal, from the word circle, circular, semicircular canal. Okay. These are the regions of the ear I talked about there. Now, let us look at the outer ear. I told you it consists of the pinna, the auditory canal. What is the function of the pinna? It collects sound waves. Okay? That one is clear. The auditory canal directs sound waves to the eardrum, that eardrum. Okay? Part B, let us look at the middle ear. I told you it consists of the eardrum, the ossicles, and the eustachian tube. Clear? Let us look at the eardrum. The eardrum. It vibrates. Remember, the eardrum receives sound waves from the auditory canal. So it vibrates and transmits sound waves to the ossicles. As you see the way they are arranged in order. The eardrum vibrates and transmits sound waves to the ossicles. Okay? Ossicles are three bones found in the ear. In your ear, there are three small bones. They are called ear ossicles, or they are called ossicles. These are three small bones found in the ear. So there is the word here, I forgot. Namely, hammer. The first bone is hammer, followed by incus. Then lastly we have the last bone is called steps. Hammer, incus, and steps. Those are the oscles. Hammer, incus, and steps. What is the function of those small bones, the oscles? They transmit sound vibrations to the cochlea. Okay? You look at that diagram, the cochlea is there. Those small bones transmit sound waves to the cochlea. 2, they amplify. To amplify is to increase volume. Okay? They amplify sound waves in the ear. Okay? After looking at the oscles, now we go to the next part called the Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube. Now this Eustachian tube, it equalizes air pressure in the ear. Understand these things carefully, okay? So when you are watching this one, always rewind and understand my statements. The Eustachian tube equalizes air pressure in the ear. We go to part C. The inner ear consists of 3 parts, like I told you: the semicircular canal, the cochlea, and the auditory nerves. These are cochlear nerves. Sometimes they are cochlear nerves. Okay? Cochlear nerves. There is ES. Okay? They are also called cochlear nerves. Now let us look at one by one. The cochlea. It is, like I told you, it is a fluid filled, meaning it is filled with a fluid filled organ in the ear. Okay? What is its function? It converts. I have been talking about sound vibrations, sound waves. Now, this time, the brain doesn't receive sound waves. The brain receives sound signals. Now, this cochlea converts. To convert is to change. So it changes sound vibrations into sound signals that the brain receives. Okay? Another one is the auditory nerves. I told you these are sometimes called cochlear nerves. After the cochlea has converted or changed sound vibrations into signals, now these are the veins that transmit those signals to the brain for interpretation. They send sound signals or messages to the brain for interpretation. Which part of the ear sends sound vibrations, sound signals to the brain for interpretation? Auditory nerves. We finally go to semicircular canal. That semicircular canal, it helps in body balance and posture. It helps in body balance and posture. Remember in the before they always ask you, apart from hearing, how else are ears important on our body? Apart from hearing, body balance and posture. Note, the semicircular canal does not take part in hearing, in the hearing process. They will ask which part of the mammalian ear does not take part in the hearing process. That is the semicircular canal. For it is for only body balance and posture. I will not talk about any sound vibrations related to this. No, it does not do anything with hearing. For body balance and posture. This here is an activity which I want you to write neatly in your books and prepare it for marking. Remember, I don't mark wrong answers. If you are not sure of the answer, you research. You do research, okay? They have the 4 numbers. Thank you. See you. Adios.